Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to greet you with my passions because you deserve. You are great. So, how do you do? I hope my greetings finds you well and doing great. You are most welcome to the channel of possibilities, the dream of professionals. The objective of this program is to let you know that what you buy from the hotel, you can do at your home. Yes, you can. I repeat, yes, you can. Especially food and drinks, as well as rooms. I mean, culinary art, F&B, and housekeeping. So this is the most objective of the program or of our channel. Um, if you are then, if you are new, I'm sure you are going to enjoy the video, and I hope you are going to do the subscribe because if you like hospitality content, you are at the right place at the right time doing right things. It's really nice to you if you like hospitality content because it's our this is our mission and the vision and the objectives is to let you know that if what you can buy, what everything you find in a hotel, you can do alone at home. So you are special for us. Thank you so much. And today I'm in the cuisine as well. I'm in the kitchen. Welcome to the workshop. And the recipe of today is chicken wrap or stuffed chicken. So let's enjoy the video. Let's start. Yes, by beginning our recipe of the day, as I tell you every day, don't go in the kitchen, don't start any activity in the kitchen without mise en place. Without mise en place, there's no productivity. Your recipe will be a mess. It will be too much problem. So we are starting here. What you see here, we are doing mise en place by removing unnecessary part in our chicken. So our stuffed chicken, we are going to use a chicken breast. Chicken breast. We are deboning, so we are removing bones in our chicken. So after that, after finish removing the bones in the chicken, make sure your chicken is remove the skins, make sure your chicken is clean. You buy from the high standard butcher or any supplier. Make it flat so it allow you to stuff something inside or you wrap something in the inside. Make sure you watch a full video because it's a step by step so you don't miss any step. By using a meat bat or chicken hammer or meat tenderizer, you make your chicken flat. So it's time for seasoning. So it's better to season, or you can do season at the same time marinations. So this is Maggi masala. It depends. I told you the marinations depends what you have, what aroma, what the smell, what the taste you want in your meat. So this is a soya sauce, little bit of soya sauce. I'm gonna add garlic. After garlic, this is celery. Yeah, this is the celery. Chicken masala, don't forget chicken masala. This is white paper. This is chicken masala. Chicken masala. Maybe depending your regions, depending where you are, maybe you can find chicken masala, but maybe you have another spicy you will put. So in our stuffed chicken, we're gonna stuff with the carrot and green beans. What else? What do you like to put? What do you have now? You put anything you want. You put like green beans, carrot, onions, anything, any vegetable one. So this is the garlic. This is the garlic. Make sure at your home, if you prepare food, make sure what you put in your recipe, all the family members no allergens about the food, because you can, like on the garlic, some people they don't eat garlic. So this is a salt seasoning. So you can use aluminum paper or parchment paper if you have. It depends what you have at your home. If you have parchment paper, will be great. Before to put in aluminum, you can put in parchment paper, and so this is the egg. This is the egg. I'm gonna add egg to add the nutrient content in my recipe. So it's time to wrap. You do how we do, like, if you know, like how you do sushi. So this is how they eat it. Like the way, like the sushi, you can do wrap like this. Yeah. Okay, roll it. Yeah. Okay. The egg is coming out, no problem. This egg coming out, no problem. Okay. Okay. It's nice. Let it boil like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. From 5 minutes, depending the fire you use. 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So our side dishes of today is mashed potatoes. By the way, I will show you. I will make another video as a mashed potato or pomme pile or potato pile as a video, as a full video of, because potato pile is very nice, and this is a good recipe for the elderly people or children. So I will make sure I do another video about how to make potato puree with step by step, because today we're gonna make it quick because it's accompaniment, or it's a side dishes of our stuffed chicken. So we're gonna make also a Vicky carrot, or the Vicky carrot. We cut the big pieces of carrot and add sugar. Hey, that's it. Simple as it is, like that. So then we boil also. We boil like 3 minutes. Don't make well done the carrot. Don't make carrot well done. So now it's time to. We are closing the step of step of finalizing, a final touch all the recipes. Chicken we put aside. We'll show you how it's look like after boiling. What's the next now? What you can do now? Yeah, we still fly the Vicky Carrot. When you are still flying the Vicky Carrot, it depends. Just to put a sugar, a little bit of sugar, and then finish, done, class. That's the Vicky Carrot. That's the sugar. Olive oil, little bit of olive oil, big piece of carrot, and then a little bit of sugar. Remember, we are preparing the stuffed chicken or chicken wrap, accompanied with or served with potato puree and the Vicky carrot. I think the carrot done. After that, we put aside. Now, time to prepare potatoes. Potato puree depends someone. You potato puree, use butter, you add the paper. It depends. But I'll make sure I'll make a full video only potato puree, not like this, not like the accompaniment, like side dishes. So this is the potatoes have been boiled and mashed by using potato masher. We mashed. So I make sure you did subscribe because you will enjoy a lot of video. If you like mashed potato, I make sure that it will be the next video. A little bit of milk, and then the mix. You like a black pepper or white pepper? You should add here. You like onions? You add onions. You like celery or parsley? You can add here. It depends. I will let you know. I will show you how to do the recipe of pompile or potato puree or mashed potatoes. Okay. Now it's very nice. It looks like ugali. It looks like cassava bread, cassava ugali, or fufu, or maize bread. Oh my goodness! It's really nice. Really nice. By the way, if you have the elder brother or any very old parent, or try to do this because it's very good to eat the pompide. Yeah. So let's remove the chicken from the water. So then let's see how it is now. Okay, that's nice. This looks nice. How many persons you want? Let's cut it into two pieces. Let's do a little bit of deep frying of my chicken, and then we see how it's look like after like the chicken is well done. This is what we call final touch. If a chef, you are put like your hand, we call it, you will put your hand, that's like a final touch, take care of it, something like that. Start smelling. Actually, the chicken is well done from the water from boiling, but what we do here is to let it looks nice, because most boiling food it's not looks good. And remember, if the food looks bad, even even if it's very taste well, but the eyes should be the first one to be satisfied. If the eye is not satisfied, even the tongue or the mouth will never satisfy. So we fry the chicken to let it looks a little nice, okay, as you see. So we cut it into two pieces. This is the potato. This is the potato. Yeah. Add something in your food to for different color. You can have different color. Okay, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What sauce do you want to be go with your chicken? Chicken curry sauce or any sauce, any sauce, any sauce. So oh my goodness, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really appreciate the people who did subscribe. You doing great, and as I say every day, you make a great choice, because the hospitality is everywhere. Everywhere you go, hospitality. Remember, you do what you can do. Thank you so much.